The human brain, a 3-pound universe within our skulls, holds the keys to our thoughts, emotions and actions. This complex organ is composed of approximately 75% water. Water is a dynamic force that shapes the intricate workings of our minds. It facilitates the transmission of signals between neurons. Every cognitive process relies on the presence of water. Proper hydration is paramount for optimal brain function. Water's journey into the brain is a remarkable feat of biological engineering. It begins with a simple act, taking a sip of water. From there, water travels through the digestive system, entering the bloodstream and eventually reaching the brain. The brain, protected by a selective barrier known as the blood-brain barrier, carefully regulates the passage of substances, including water, from the blood into its delicate tissues. Once inside the brain, water plays a vital role in maintaining cell structure and function. Neurons, the brain's communication specialists, rely on water to maintain their shape and integrity. Water acts as an internal support system, ensuring that these cells can effectively transmit signals throughout the brain. Furthermore, water acts as a solvent, dissolving essential nutrients and transporting them to brain cells. It also helps remove waste products, ensuring the brain's environment remains clean and conducive to optimal function. Without water, the brain's intricate machinery would grind to a halt. Dehydration, a state of inadequate water intake, can have profound consequences for brain function. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive performance, affecting our ability to think clearly, focus, and make decisions. When the brain is deprived of sufficient water, its cells shrink, and communication between neurons becomes sluggish. Studies have shown that dehydration can lead to a decline in short-term memory, attention span, and reaction time. Simple tasks, such as remembering a phone number or concentrating on a complex problem, become increasingly difficult. The brain, starved of its essential fluid, struggles to function optimally. Moreover, dehydration can impact mood and emotional regulation. Feelings of fatigue, irritability, and anxiety are common symptoms of dehydration, further highlighting the interconnectedness of our physical and mental states. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for both cognitive and emotional well-being. Water's role in the brain extends beyond its structural and transport functions. It plays a crucial role in the transmission of electrical signals, the language of the nervous system. Neurons communicate with each other through a complex process involving electrical impulses and chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Water acts as a conductor, facilitating the flow of ions, electrically charged atoms, across neuronal membranes. This flow of ions generates the electrical signals that underlie all brain activity. Without water, these signals would be weakened, leading to impaired communication between neurons. Furthermore, water is essential for the release and uptake of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that bridge the gap between neurons. Neurotransmitters play a vital role in regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and countless other bodily functions. Water ensures that these chemical messengers can effectively relay their signals, maintaining the brain's intricate communication network. Section 5. Hydrated versus dehydrated, a cognitive showdown. The difference between a hydrated and a dehydrated brain is akin to night and day. When properly hydrated, the brain operates with clarity, focus, and efficiency. Thoughts flow effortlessly, memories are readily accessible, and we feel mentally sharp and alert. On the other hand, a dehydrated brain struggles to keep up. Studies using brain imaging techniques have shown that dehydration leads to a decrease in brain volume and an increase in the space between brain tissues. These structural changes reflect the cellular shrinkage that occurs when brain cells are deprived of water. The brain, quite literally, shrinks when dehydrated. Cognitively, the differences are palpable. A hydrated brain excels at tasks requiring sustained attention, working memory, and complex problem solving. In contrast, a dehydrated brain falters, exhibiting slower reaction times, increased errors, and difficulty concentrating. The impact of dehydration on cognitive performance is undeniable. Section 6. The vital elixir. Water for optimal brain health. Water is not merely a thirst quencher, it's an elixir for optimal brain health. Maintaining adequate hydration is paramount for supporting the brain's intricate functions and preserving cognitive abilities throughout life. By prioritizing water intake, we provide our brains with the essential resource they need to thrive. The benefits of proper hydration extend beyond immediate cognitive enhancement. Studies suggest that staying adequately hydrated may contribute to long-term brain health, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. While more research is needed in this area, the existing evidence highlights the importance of water as a cornerstone of brain health. Incorporating simple habits into our daily routines can ensure we meet our brain's hydration needs. Carrying a reusable water bottle, setting reminders to drink water throughout the day, and choosing water-rich fruits and vegetables are practical steps towards prioritizing brain hydration. By making water an integral part of our lives, we invest in the well-being of our most precious organ. Section 7. Quenching the brain's thirst, practical tips. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to overlook the brain's simple yet crucial need for water. However, incorporating practical strategies to stay hydrated can make a world of difference in our cognitive function and overall well-being. Here are some tips to quench your brain's thirst. Carry a reusable water bottle. Having water readily available serves as a visual reminder to stay hydrated throughout the day. Set reminders. In the digital age, leverage technology to your advantage. Set alarms or use hydration tracking apps to prompt regular water breaks. Start the day right. Begin your day with a glass of water upon waking to replenish fluids lost during sleep. Water-rich snacks. Opt for fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as watermelon, cucumber and spinach, to supplement your water intake. By integrating these simple yet effective strategies into our daily routines, we can ensure that our brains receive the hydration they need to function at their best. Section 8. Beyond hydration. Other pillars of brain health. Hydration is crucial, but it's not the sole factor for brain health. Brain health is influenced by genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Other pillars include a nutritious diet. A balanced diet provides essential nutrients. Regular exercise. Exercise increases blood flow and promotes new brain cells. Quality sleep. Sleep is vital for memory and cognitive function. Stress management. Chronic stress harms the brain. Engage in stress-reducing activities. Addressing these facets fosters cognitive vitality and well-being. Section 9. The future of brain health. Water at the forefront. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of the human brain, the importance of water for cognitive function and overall brain health becomes increasingly apparent. Researchers worldwide are continuously exploring the profound relationship between hydration and brain function, paving the way for innovative approaches to optimize cognitive performance and mitigate age-related decline. Emerging technologies, such as wearable sensors that monitor hydration levels in real time, hold promise for personalized hydration strategies tailored to individual needs. Furthermore, ongoing research on the impact of specific water-soluble nutrients on brain health may lead to targeted dietary recommendations for cognitive enhancement. The future of brain health research is undoubtedly exciting, with water playing a central role in unlocking the brain's full potential. By prioritizing hydration and supporting ongoing scientific exploration, we invest in a future where our cognitive abilities remain sharp and resilient throughout life. Section 10. A call to action, prioritizing brain hydration. The human brain relies on a delicate balance of fluids to orchestrate our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Water, a cornerstone of cognitive function, influences our ability to think clearly, focus intently, and remember vividly. From facilitating communication between neurons to maintaining cell structure, water's role in the brain is indispensable. Prioritizing hydration empowers our brains to function optimally, supporting cognitive clarity and overall well-being. Let this serve as a call to action. Prioritize brain hydration as an investment in our cognitive well-being.